This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised.
Hey, what's up guys, it is your boy Michael here, and today welcome back to the Michael unboxing. So today we're going to the first look at the Yolopark Transformers G1 MMK miniseries Wave 2 Rodimus Prime. This is one that looks like it. This is called model kits. I am so excited for this for the last video. So I'm going to show you. Look at this. This is Rodimus Prime. It looks the unboxing looks the rainbow shiny, colorful in this shiny rainbow in this box. It looks so clean, and it got the Transformers logo or G1 version. You got this as you can see the logo on Yolopark, and you got this the mark and this one here. Looks like it. So this is looks like no glue, no painting, and no tools required. Okay, so we gotta see it, and let's go to the front. So then only so I went to Toy Kingdom to buy for the XM. Got a look, and this is a happy 399 pesos, which I don't know, it's kind of pretty cool. And then this guy in the back, down here, up and down. I just as the siding for this box. So this one here is the inside the Transformers logo. Is so cool, but I have no idea what's going on there with these figures. So this one here, I'm gonna move. Okay, so let's. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, and then you got all the box logo. As you can see, Rodimus Prime. At least we got this one here, and we got the back of the packaging. We got a Rodimus Prime. You can collect them all, the six, all of them, like Rodimus Prime, Hulk, Jazz, RC, Proud, and Cliff Jumper. Oh, you asked to see the bonus pack. We have the iconic version of the transparent Hulk. You can collect them all, the 6 parts of the Hulk transparent. Yeah, I know, this is a pretty cool. And the extra cards, yeah, I know, this is a pretty exciting for. It looks like the Block East version. And the minifigures, yeah, I know, this is pretty exciting. You guys, so this is instruction, this is a looks, you can collect them all 6 in. And transparent Hulk 6-part upper body, well, this right here. Okay, if you enjoy like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bells, and ring that bell, baby, and notify for the latest videos. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna see the, so this, I'm gonna cut the new cartoons. It was because it's so rusty. My voice is heading down. I really love this Transformers figures. It looks pretty cool, and I'm using a mini cutter. There's no way, no need to remove the tape, so it looks pretty weird. Oh, okay, look. Oh shoot, we got this. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh shoot. Oh, we got a blind box today, so you got a blind box edition. Yeah, this is a really exciting for them. So this is the destruction. Where we do Rodimus Prime, Hulk. We got the Jazz. That's gonna see the RC, Proud, and the Cliff Jumper. You got this is the Visit Us. So we got this. Ooh, we got a Rodimus Prime. So this card looks pretty cool. I love how the details of the looks, and the back of the scanner QR code, and we got to Visit Us, and then the same QR code with the Chinese and English version. Or this looks kind of whatever you want. This one's okay. So it looks like there's instructions. So this is what it looks like the instruction manual, and we got Rodimus Prime. So we got to see this one. Oh, let's open it up. No, let's get into the building up. Bruh. Okay, I'm finishing with the building with Rodimus Prime. I'm sorry, I'm really stuck with this arms right now. I can't really heavy this is right now. So this is one just looks like the Rodimus Prime, which looks pretty cool. I have no actually. This is a pretty amazing guy with the new segment for this one here. So this is the looks of Peter. I'm gonna go to the detail with Rodimus Prime figures. I can't withstand pointing out this Wait. This, I'm so heavy in this. I can't pull it in out with this arms. It looks heavy. Okay, so it looks good at detail. This looks Autobots and the texture with logo. It looks amazing. The painting yellow. The printing plastic. The plastic one looks orange. It looks so cool. The dark, I mean the red one. This plastic, and it's the painting. The orange one looks pretty cool. And it is the silver claw. The two different silver claw. How do you guys see this? The mountain, the plastic black. This one here, it looks like I'm putting in a building. Look, my model kits are like 12 centimeters. Yeah, this is what it looks like. The problem is the unpainted details. It looks the black version. There's nothing using silver painting details here. I'm gonna, and this is not the same that. So this is looks like the mounted jetpack wings. The wings the back. Yeah, the wings the back. It looks pretty cool. I know how this is exactly what this was. I'm just a little nervous and with this even different. The Rodimus Prime, the face looks so cool. I love it. This and how much details and looks textures. This one, the red plastic hair. We got the blue eyes and then the gray face. It looks pretty sick. Let's find out. This is the arms. It looks silver. The lights on it with the wheels, and we're gonna put in these wheels in this, and they are putting the fist hands. It looks okay. It looks pretty amazing. I'm gonna just put this one to stay with this. So they are the one accessories. The difference with the hands. On the hands around here. Let's go see this. So the difference the hands and with Rodimus Prime, of course. And then we have these are two blasters right here. There's the unnamed blasters. I mean, two names blasters on this one, and it looks like Iron Blaster. It looks like the Optimus Prime, and it looks like silver painting, and it looks so pretty amazing details. And it was a nice, good job in the Yolopark. This one, I don't know how much this the similar of the Rodimus Prime 2 blasters duo, and it doesn't look kind of pretty much well. And we gotta put thing up this one. This. Yep, that's a pretty sure. And then another one. Oh, that's pretty sick though. And then let's look at some blasters. And we got this one here. So this is the difference there. And as you can see, and we got a bonus card pack. We have the Rodimus Prime. This is shiny rainbow. It looks the background and the details with all the Autobots logo. It looks pretty cool. The 12 centimeters Rodimus Prime. It looks like in the bloggish version. And we got a back and the QR code. You gotta visit us. And then I don't have anything. 6 collectibles, transparent Hulk in the blind box edition, where they said 2 different name characters, the Decepticons, whatever name it is, and Autobots. This one in the blind box edition. Yeah, I know. This is a pretty cool. I know this is just like the problem. The end became in the series 2. There's nothing using transparent Hulk, the 6 packaging of the 6 body parts of the transparent Hulk. Yeah, I know there's a different same in it like that. It just looks pretty cool. So like this looks like it's a 12 centimeters, and then we have 12 centimeters. I don't know what's to get deciding with this one. Okay, so the blasters in the holding holes, the mail and management here. There's nothing putting in. They code the management of this one. You can just say this one up. The blasters are like there are no way system is so cool. The ball joints there, the looks the excellent good. The joints of the chest and the arms, legs, toes, and the torso with this the head. Now this is one that looks like pretty cool. I know that this is this one I've got the problem that they're using silver painting. The unjob and this is on this one here. There's nothing unfinished with the silver paint and the hands and the fist. There's nothing similar right now. Okay, so articulation, we have the Rodimus Prime, we got the moving in the head, and it's on the side by side. We got the up and down, so up and down. The heavies, so confused. I'm just like confused in the up and down with the Rodimus Prime. And the shoulder, this one, side by side. Oh, that looks heavy. I really know that I take a base in this. At least we got this one. It looks pretty cool. I don't know why this is an arms one. We have the right one, we have the up and down, side by side. So we got side by side, right and left. We got side by side, we got up and down on the right, up and down the left. Well, we got this swivel, the heaviest swivel, this one here. You can't see the swivel, it's the heaviest thing I've ever seen. The left one looks pretty good, swivel. And this left one, yeah, I know. Up and down for the arms for the right, and up and down for the left arms. So they're right here. This you got torso, the crunching of this is the 120 rotation. These are no way the rotation the 360 rotation of the turnaround. This circle on this the torso or chest. Kind of moving out the swivel up and down, just turn around, spin it. This 360 rotation. This looks pretty cool. And then side by side legs with the right, side by side with the legs of the left. Yeah, I don't know. We got the up and down on the right. We got the up and down to the left. Yeah, I don't know. This is pretty exciting. It looks pretty cool. And the toes, we got the up and down. It looks with joints. It looks pretty cool. Up and down, right and left. So I'm really exciting for this one. And swivel, and it looks pretty cool. Have the swivel. Yeah, I know this is a pretty cool. And the fist, the turn around side by side to the right for the first hand, and the side by side with the left hands. Or the fist, whatever. Oh, damn, it looks pretty cool in this one. Without the difference of transparent whole 6 parts bodies with the blind box in this one. I don't know why this is gotta be so good with these figures, and then there's the model kits right here. I am definitely the one that's not definitely this we've got this one up. We gotta stand up here. Yep. I can't move at this with Rodimus Prime right now. I really just this was really best figures of the Yolopark, but this is kind of pretty cool. And this is the unfinished video, this painting of this hand silver, and this is not a cool, but the details. Okay, we got the size comparison with the Optimus Prime MK Mini Series 1. I have also the size comparison. This looks same size at 12 centimeters with my friends. They no longer the Transformers. The movie or G1 the movie like this in the since 90s. Yeah, I don't know. This is one that's definitely similar code. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the Rodimus Prime. It's a MK Mini Series. Rate 2 is give it a 8 out of 10. It looks pretty great. Figures and it's a model kit. I love how much the details it looks in the video. Everyone, we're gonna just probably in the next one. Do the toy hunting videos in December. I really hope you're in the Philippines when this one there's a lot of quality Yolopark and bloggish. Everyone that can say or gunpla, whatever. So thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like and subscribe to the channel, notification bells, follow us on social medias. Let me know what to say. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you join us here on my next video. Bye, peace.